Alright, so we're back in the shop again, and we're going to have a look at the engine and see if the paint actually, like stuck to it this time and stuff. And that's right, I'm smoking my sick corn cob here. Got some Sir Walter Raleigh pipe tobacco in it. It's kind of nice to switch it up from cigars a little bit. But anyway, the paint appears to have stuck to the engine this time, which is a novice thing. We don't know how long it's going to stick to it, but as of right now, it's not coming off when you scratch it. So there's that. This is what we refer to as good, because last time it was not good. So yeah, it's not the best paint job you've ever seen. It probably wouldn't make it at Meekum, but it's good enough for a red clay traveler. So I really need to get over there to that crate that's behind that sandblaster, because that's where a lot of my missing components are at that need to be put on here. Because I've got the stuff ordered. Excuse me, it's not here yet, so I've got to, but I do need to get the stuff out and ready to be put on once I get the necessary gaskets and things. Probably going to end up taking a lot of stuff off of that engine, which is another F-head engine. It's got a lot of pieces on it that are, or if nothing else, I can look at it so I can remember how they go. It'll probably make it a little bit easier during reassembly. So, I know it's got a fan blade on it. Of course, I got to order a water pump. Got to get a water pump, fuel pump, all that good stuff. But it's got the oil canister bracket, the oil canister itself. It's made a little bit different. The head on, or the valve cover on this one's a little bit different. This is an older engine. But other than that, it's pretty much the same. The water neck right there is in a lot better shape than the one I took off. So, and it's got my starter on it. So, I need to finagle this engine out from there. And then, of course, my other parts are all in that crate, which is nice. It's good to have stuff where you can access it easily. Ow. Alright. Okay, so let's see here. Gotta put our pipe down somewhere. Alright, so let's see here. We got, there's our good manifold. And we've got another good one on this engine, which these are usually broke all to hell, but I've got two good ones, and the replacement on them is rather expensive. So, which this one's full of crap, so it's going to have to be sandblasted or something. This is that seat out of the CJ5. Let's see. There's something else. Oh, there's the carburetor. I know it ran with this carb. This carburetor, it actually ran with it. So it actually appears to be in fairly good shape. So we'll get the carb out. Let's see. There's its oil canister. Which we could clean up and paint that. Which we might do that here in a moment. What other goodies do we have? Oh, here's the coil cap. Or, I mean the distributor cap, I'm sorry. Hit them with it. But I gotta get all new oil lines that run from this to the block, and from the block down to the oil pan and all that other crap that they have on these engines. So I'll probably just order new ones of those because it'd be, it'd just make more sense. But